blame me.
Blame this guy over here. He's coming from Oz and just wanted to do an interview, so fired up for him.
None of the reasons to dislike Australians.
Nice. This is a special 323. How old is the build, and tell us a little bit about it.
Okay, so the car has been painted and fabricated for over 15 years. I lived in Perth for almost a decade and picked up the car for 2 years ago. It was almost like a barn find in Western Australia, and I picked it up and just continued the build. And I was moving home at the time, so I decided to pick up the car and sort of fit it out and whatnot, but I sort of thought I'd hold off on the engine and get the engine and finish the build in New Zealand, take it to a shop and just get them to sort of see it through. So the engine was built, the wiring was done, the fuel was all done at one shop. So yeah, I mean, it still runs a small tyre. It's got a bit of Aussie flavour with a bit of NZ touch, I guess, yeah.
Now, is it street registered at all?
No, it's not. No, it's still got the West Australian registration on it, but no, it's no longer a street car. It's a purpose-built drag car, really. But you know, in New Zealand, there's a few track events, so there's a bit of roll racing, and just we're spoiled for choice over here with events. So, but yeah, I mean, the gearbox is a clutchless G5R, so it likes to go through the gears, but not really come back down them. But you can pop it back into third, but it sort of wants to go in one direction. So it's got a Series 8 crate motor, and took it to HPR here in Hamilton, and just got the semi-PP touch put on it. And so yeah, Series 8, 30V turbo, Pro J intake, Garrett G42 turbo, E&J electric water pump fabricated onto a FC water pump housing. So pretty simple and sleek, just fits in there and does a good job.
What sort of axles and diff center does it run?
It's got a Mark Williams center in it, 35 spline axles, wheelwood brakes. It's got garage 48 coilovers in the front with the big brakes up the front. Still running pump gas. We've got the Gull fuel over here with 10% ethanol in it. So
I was going to say, they don't run E85 on the pump over here.
No, they don't. It's hard to get, so that's one of the reasons we're sort of holding off. But it's still it's running sort of low boost and low power at the moment, so it's still on pump gas. But we will get some E85 into it at some point. But then you've got to start sort of stocking it and all that. So at the moment it's fine on pump fuel. Yeah, it's healthy. So
because it looks like you're not going to run methanol, being it's got an intercooler.
No, I don't think there's plans on there for methanol at the moment. Just yeah, we might do the switch to E85 at some point and wind the boost up and things like that. So it's got 503 horsepower on just 12 psi, so really low boost at the moment, and just work my way up from there.
Sorry about the Aussie joke before, mate.
Sorry to get you in trouble, bro.
That's all cool.
It's kind of what I do, it seems.
It's pump gas, isn't it?